Hello everybody, in this video we will see how to measure on an oscilloscope the current, the base current versus the voltage between base and emitter in a BJT NPN transistor. So I have my circuits here with my BJT in the middle, with the collector pin up, connected to the 1 kilo ohm resistor, the base in the middle connected with the 200k resistor, and here I have my ground cable to the ground. So between the collector and between the let's say the collector resistor on the collector and the ground, I have a battery, fixed battery of 7 volt, like in my drawings. And between ground and base, I have these two cable, which comes from a voltage with function generator, in which I have sine wave, the frequency 1 kilohertz, offset 2.5 volt, and amplitude 5 volt, as in my drawing. Now I want to visualize the base current and the voltage between base and emitter on my oscilloscope. So I connect one channel of the oscilloscope to the input. This is the input, and then I connect my other channel of the oscilloscope between base and emitter. Here I put some cables, not easy to see in the video, but basically this is the base pin of the transistor and this one is the emitter pin of the transistor. So I have these signals on my oscilloscope. This one is the voltage between base and emitter. This other one is the input signal. So I visualize both of them, and then I say display, and I change from versus time x epsilon, so one channel as a function of the other. And I see here basically the exponential function of my PN junction between base and emitter. And I can estimate here the forward voltage threshold of the PN junction by looking at this axis. Actually here I have 20 millivolt for each division, but this probe actually divides by 10. So I should, if I want to be correct, I should just multiply this value by 10, and actually this 60 millivolt became 600 millivolts, so 0.6 volt, which is the usual value of forward voltage in a PN junction. Also, I can visualize different range of the curve by moving the offset. So what I'm doing here is moving the offset of my input signal, or I can have a wider range of values by changing the amplitude. I see more this on the horizontal line than the vertical, but it happens also in the vertical one. Okay, I hope this could help you, and thank you for watching.